So we got Winston, and this is the first time he's seen Fezzie. I think he's just going about his business. I just put in some limbs of trees, and Perchy and Fudgy are checking it out up there. Yeah, it looks like Sir Winston and Fezzie, my new silver pheasant, are kind of eyeing each other. And Sir Winston has been in the other coop, so he doesn't know what's been going on, but I've been actually because he kind of pecks me sometimes. It's aggressive, like cocks ordinarily are, apparently, from what I heard. So I've been keeping him in my other enclosure, and I like to see my chickens, so and I'm preparing this enclosure for some peacocks and some silkies. So I'm creating two different areas right now that my chickens are supposed to stick to, but I've discovered, whoa, what was that noise? Oh wow, that was interesting. That looks like Hanky's instincts took over. I've never heard Fezzie make that noise. I think it was like a fuck off noise to Sir Winston. And Sir Winston's what the hell? But he wants to stay near his harem, you know, his band of bitches, you know. But I made this little area right here. It's actually a repurposed drawer. And so yeah, that was the first time we've heard Fezzie make that noise. Maybe they're not really liking each other too much. And it's like, Hanky. Whoa. Holy shit. Huh. Yeah, oh shit, man. I put that, oh man. He thinks this is his personal buffet, don't you? Don't you, Winston? Okay. I want to grab this is like actually just like a couple tomatoes. I want to rescue those. Rescue some good things. I'm trying to, you know, have a area here to grow some food unmolested by the chickens. So yeah, this is my attempt to grow food while there are also chickens around that I'm trying to humanely raise. They give me eggs. They're my egg-laying friends. So it looks like, you know, maybe I can just let Sir Winston stay there for the night. Do you want to stay there for the night? Yeah, that's cool. Maybe I can put the cage on top of there, and or I don't know. I put him in there at night. Something. I don't know. Let's see what's going on over here. So they're checking out the new perches, and that's great because that's covered. I need to get the ladder and pull that purple over up here and over that, so it's protected from above. Because there are hawks that this is kind of their hunting ground, potentially, if I'm not careful. So anyway, yeah, it's glorious sunset. Got lots of stuff going on. Got some chickies getting comfortable, but basically sun's going down, so I think Sir Winston just really wanted to know where everybody was. And, whoa, tripped on my dog. And, oh, wow. Actually, wow. Holy shit, I hope he doesn't try to kick Fezzie's ass. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, Fezzie gets along with other animals, and he's bigger than Sir Winston, so I would say that Sir Winston probably won't start any shit with Fezzie. But that high-pitched scream was kind of a whistle. That's the hunter's whistle, I guess. Okay, and the ladies down here, they're trying to get comfortable. And so Winston is trying to get in there. Whoa! They're trying to get up to the perch, to the sticks. Thought that was kind of a clever idea, so that they have potentially a lot of birds sleeping up there. Just put them in between the. Are you all right? You're right, duck. You're right, ducky. Anyway, oh, so cute. Look, I know it's kind of hard to see, but anyway, maybe he just wants to be with them. I don't think he's gonna let. Whoa, shit. I don't think he's gonna kick Fezzie's ass, or try to, cause Fezzie, I saw Fezzie get along fine with another rooster like him. So anyway, I guess it's gonna be bedtime, and so this is Trista signing off at sunset, Reiki Southwest, and have yourself a lovely little evening. Bye bye.